Rerunning the simulation with the updated parameters.
Tactical optimization is showing a 40% increase in efficiency. The validation is complete.
Our ruggedized assemblies are built to withstand the most extreme operational environments, undergoing rigorous blast, vibration, and waterproof sealing tests. We ensure operational effectiveness through meticulous systems integration, adhering to the highest classified quality standards.
This documentation confirms successful defense implementation, showcasing fully synchronized manufacturing and efficient logistics coordination.
This flowchart details the clearance process required for Section 3 manufacturing.
And the defense standards for the prototypes?
0 exceptions for classified production.
Our strategic manufacturing process ensures tactical performance. Utilizing classified equipment, we
Units sealed and marked.
Confirmed. Documentation complete. Integrity maintained.
We have multiple red alerts across Europe. Prioritize those shipments.
Acknowledged. Notifying the logistics team now.
Secure the supply lines into Africa immediately.
Thermal readings stabilizing. Hull integrity confirmed.
Data analysis complete. The Mark IV meets deployment standards.
This sequence demonstrates our adherence to military specification protocols, utilizing classified equipment for hardened.
We adhere to the strictest military engineering protocols, utilizing classified testing procedures to guarantee operations.
Our combat-proven methodologies harden operational readiness, validating effectiveness throughout global military deployment.
Defense manufacturing sequence showing classified research protocols, producing advanced materials processing with defense-grade specifications, utilizing classified.
Vibration levels are peaking at spec limits. How are the housing temps holding up?
Stable. The ruggedized mounts are mitigating the resonance effectively.
This validates the structural integrity, ensuring combat readiness, adhering strictly to the military certification protocols. This sequence utilizes classified production equipment, implementing military engineering protocols to ensure hardened system integrity for global deployment.
Maintaining strict tolerances. The integration sequence is proceeding as planned.
Operational effectiveness confirmed. We are cleared for deployment.
Manufacturing sequence active. Protocols initiated.
Target acquired. Firing for effect. Move!
Verify these tolerances against military protocol before engagement.
Readings are stable. Guidance system shows green. Sequence initiated.
We verify the system's integration meets all military-grade specifications.
Quality control confirms operational effectiveness. They are cleared for deployment. Utilizing classified production equipment, we maintain strict tolerances for precision weapons integration, ensuring combat-proven reliability.
Alert status red. Simulated breach detected.
Get to cover now. Sector 4, move.
From initial manufacturing to tactical performance testing, we ensure operational effectiveness for global military deployment.
This tolerance is within the classified parameters.
Confirmed. The surface integrity is combat ready.
These schematics confirm the structural integrity meets defense-grade specifications.
The material processing protocols are certified for immediate deployment.
Ensure all classified testing protocols are validated. Operational effectiveness confirmed. Begin global deployment sequence.
The integration sequence is proceeding as planned.
We have confirmed the tactical systems alignment. Quality control reports approved.
Strategic manufacturing precision engaged. Combat simulation conditions met. Systems check complete. Military standards certified.
Optimizing defense-grade component fabrication with military specifications, utilizing classified production equipment, implementing military engineering protocols.
Implementing military engineering protocols ensures operational effectiveness throughout global military deployment.
Reviewing engineering protocols for the latest field tests. Data looks solid.
Global logistics projections are updating now. Readiness levels remain high. Utilizing classified production equipment, we validate operational effectiveness, ensuring rapid global military deployment.
Receiving confirms level valves are secured. Engineering, assembly sequence, parameters locked.
Initiate validation sequence 749er.
Confirmed. Pressure levels holding steady at 0.05.
Data acquisition looks good. Military specifications met.
Chassis inspection complete. Vehicle is green. Finalizing systems validation now. Looking good. Calibration at 100%. Ready for deployment.
Protocol check complete. System integrity confirmed.
Ready for deployment certification. Quality control data confirms integration protocols are nominal. Defense contractor oversight confirms 98% operational effectiveness.
Simulation active. Weapons free.
Missile away. Impact confirmed.
Operational effectiveness verified.
Advanced manufacturing validates strategic logistics coordination, utilizing classified production equipment and
Tactical engagement sequence active. All units, weapons hot.
Direct hit confirmed on target 4. Assessing impact data.
This unit meets all thermal specifications.
Confirmed. Ready for final integration and deployment.
Manufacturing compliance is at 98%. Good.
Initiate strategic distribution to all active sectors immediately.
In secure production environments, we utilize classified equipment and rigorous testing to validate battlefield performance before global deployment.
Operational readiness validation complete. System integrity confirmed.
Acknowledged. Deploying assets via military engineering protocols.
We're certifying the tactical integration protocols now.
Oversight confirms adherence to the Strategic Manufacturing Precision Guidelines.
Simulation complete. All parameters nominal.
Hull integrity confirmed. Operational effectiveness verified. Ready for deployment.
This is a critical asset supporting global military operations. The advanced security perimeter ensures absolute control over restricted production zones.